So this is the third and final part of our three-part series that we've been cooking with all of us together. In the previous two videos we cooked, or Marco cooked, some peppers with capers, and then in the last one you did some salmon with soy, which is all amazing. So if you want to go back and have a look at those before watching that, we'll leave some links to those below. Marco, what are you going to be cooking today?
Okay, today we're going to cook. This recipe is going to be a recipe I've never done before, okay? But we should be fine. We're going to be nice. We're going to be done in the wood fire oven, okay? That's the only challenge, but okay. What we're going to do is puff pastry, cupcakes with cranberry, brie, and crunch pistachio on top. It's Christmassy. It's going to be very nice. Yeah. And, you know, let's dive into it, you know, yeah?
I'm looking forward to it. And you guys are going to be, like, talking to Marco while you're doing it. It's going to be going on your podcast as well, isn't it?
So obviously we've been filming today and making a special episode of the podcast. So, really looking forward to that. And obviously we've turned Christmassy.
That's it, yeah.
We've got the decoration, we're just missing our Santa hats. If only we'd have bought those.
We could probably get some of those from it. So there we go, that's what we're going to be doing today. Hope you enjoy it.
Okay, let's start. So first thing, we've got the oven hot, a little bit too hot, I reckon. So but what we're going to do, we're going to get our dish inside, cupcake dish with some butter, okay? And a couple of these here at the end, yeah? Bam. Inside. Boom. Like that. Now we're gonna get, because we're gonna then with the pastry brush, we're gonna butter our tin, all of them, yeah, and then we're gonna set aside. Then we're gonna dive into the puff pastry, cranberry sauce, brie, pistachio, into the oven. In the interim, the oven will drop in temperature while we prepare it. And then we're going to go in and cook. Because when you cook with the oven, you always have to understand, it's not a perfect science. It's, you have to understand, now it's too hot. Okay, so what we do is perfect to do this job. Now set this aside. Then what we're going to do, we've got 12 muffins in here. We're going to go get a puff pastry, and we're going to make the 12 square. If a pastry chef is looking at this, excuse my skill. So now we're going to go and put our brie inside, okay? Just a tiny bit, so some rosemary like that. It looks good now. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So what I'm going to do now, just to kind of taste the temperature of the oven, I'm going to put the only 6 in. Okay, so we turned it a couple of times. It's been in for about 20 minutes. And now we're ready to come out. I think we've got a decent result. You have to let them cool down, but not too much because you want your cheese to still be hot. And now is the task of getting them out. Okay, and if you've done a good job, they should come out decently easy. Let's say, bam bam, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, first one, yeah. And anyway, and then you know you just kind of dig in into all your delicious creation. I'm looking forward to trying this dish. Like I said, it's really easy, you know, and it's a fantastic Christmas canopy. 24th, 25th, New Year's Eve. Just enjoy the festive time. Okay, here.
Oh, cheers.
Bam.
Thank you so
Bam.
much.
Bam.
Awesome, thank you.
And this one is for me. Okay.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh,
Is it nice?
It's amazing.
Oh, fantastic.
The sweetness really cuts through with the cheese. It's gorgeous. I like the crunch from the pistachios as well.
yeah, heaven. To me, this is just absolutely what you want as a little taster dish.
So there you go, a Christmas recipe. Cranberry and Brie. It's a little puff pastry, something you can make at home, something really easy to do. Takes half an hour probably.
Yeah, it's about 35 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah.
15 minutes for preparing
Yeah,
and 20 minutes in the oven.
exactly. But then, you know, that's canopies for 12 people there.
Yeah.
So thanks guys for coming down.
Yeah, it's been great.
I hope you've enjoyed this series of cooking that we've been doing with Marco and the guys from Meet and Greet. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a comment down below. And if there's any particular recipes that you'd like to see in the future, let us know as well. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.
Ciao, thank you.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.